Our number one rule is always give the customer the information that the customer needs to make a decision. Therefore, we've got to be careful at the opening of an inbound call. The first thing we want to do is give a greeting that's clearly ending on the statement, or ending on the question, how may I help you today? Or what can I do for you today? Either of those is good. But then, the customer states something, but sometimes not enough information. So your next question has to be a question that requires a short answer or a yes or a no. Not an open-ended. Not like, well, okay, I hear that, but what would you like me to do about that? No. Instead, okay, I get it, I hear that, and I'll need a little more information to help you with that. What state are you located in? Or what is your address? Or how long have you been with us? Or how did you hear about that? Some question that you know the customer knows the answer to. That will get you off to a great start to support your customer in getting what your customer wants and never making that customer feel wrong or stupid. All right, have a great day.